In this tutorial, I'll show you how to organize with AI in Google Sheets using a simple and practical method. First, understand this. Google Sheets now uses AI features like Help Me Organize and Google Gemini to automatically structure and clean your data. Now, if you want to organize your data with AI, here's what to do. Open your Google Sheet and make sure you have some data in it. Look for the Help Me Organize option that appears on the screen. Click on it and follow the suggestions. Google Sheets will automatically suggest ways to structure your data, like creating tables or sorting information. If you don't see this option, here's what to do. Go to the top right corner and click the Gemini icon. If needed, sign in and enable it. Now type what you want. For example, you can type organize this data by date or group sales by product. Gemini will analyze your sheet and give suggestions or even create a structure for you. If the result isn't perfect, just rephrase your request. The clearer your instruction, the better the output. That's it. Using AI in Google Sheets makes organizing data faster, smarter, and much easier without doing everything manually.